Tech giants are replacing thousands of workers with AI processors right now. Why is this happening, and what does it mean for your job security? This year, companies like Meta, Google, and Amazon have collectively laid off over 100,000 employees. The common thread? AI and automation technologies are now able to perform tasks once done by humans, prompting these firms to reduce their workforce significantly. For example, Meta alone cut 11,000 jobs early in 2026, explicitly linking these layoffs to AI efficiency improvements. These numbers highlight a stark shift in the labor market, driven by rapidly evolving AI capabilities. The core logic of capitalism is profit maximization. Investing in AI processors reduces long-term costs compared to human wages and benefits. Companies see AI as a more reliable, scalable, and cost-effective resource. This shift means that workers are increasingly viewed as replaceable. The People's World analysis points out that trading people for processors is not just about technology, but about capital seeking efficiency by cutting labor costs, accelerating automation at an unprecedented scale. While the headline layoffs hit tech employees first, AI's reach extends far beyond. Roles in customer service, data entry, and even creative fields are now vulnerable. Workers in these sectors risk job insecurity as AI tools become more sophisticated. The People's World article emphasizes that this is a systemic change, not isolated incidents, reshaping the entire labor market and forcing millions to reconsider their career paths and skills. With AI continuing to evolve, displaced workers will need new skills to stay employable. Experts suggest increased investment in retraining programs and stronger labor protections. There is also growing debate about how capitalism might adapt to address inequality caused by automation. The People's World stresses that without policy intervention, mass layoffs tied to AI could deepen social divides, leaving many workers behind in the new economy. The recent wave of AI-driven layoffs reveals capitalism's fundamental logic: efficiency and profit trump worker welfare. By favoring processors over people, corporations accelerate automation not just for innovation, but to cut costs. This pattern shows that AI adoption is less about technological progress alone and more about economic systems prioritizing capital accumulation. The People's World highlights this dynamic as a key lens for understanding the future of work under AI. AI layoffs are reshaping the job market faster than ever, putting your career at risk if you're unprepared. Understanding the capitalist forces behind these changes helps you stay informed and ready to adapt. Subscribe now to Daily Q&A for the latest updates on how technology affects your future work and livelihood.